Now the most important one, visa. Visa, I have a very good experience. My team has a very good experience. We applied for visa and then we were waiting for visa to be confirmed. So many things we had to undergo. Last minute also, you will have to wait for the visa. There are many chances of getting rejected and again applying. So at the earliest, try for the visa before leaving for your educational endeavors. So let me say about USA visa now. A citizen of a foreign country who wants to enter the United States must first obtain a visa, either a non-immigrant visa for temporary stay or an immigrant visa for permanent residence. Accordingly, all students' visa are non-immigrant visas. As per the applicant status, the US immigration has made categories. Here are few categories of non-immigrant visa is athletics, amateur and professional, competing for prize money only, that is B1 visa type. Athletics, artist, entertainer, P, it is P for pen. Australian worker or professional specialty, capital E-3. Border crossing card, Mexico, it is BCC. Business visitors, B-1. Crew members serving abroad a sea vessel or aircraft in the US, D, capital D. Diplomats and foreign government officials, capital A. Domestic employees or nannies must be accompanying a foreign national employer, B-1. Employees of a designated international organization and NATO, G1-G5 NATO. And exchange visitors, J. Exchange visitors, small letter AU pairs is J-1. Exchange visitors children under age 21, a spouse of a J-1 holder, J2. And then exchange visitors, professors, scholars, teachers, J-1. Exchange visitors, international culture, J and Q, J, Q. Fiance, within that is fiancee, so K-1. Foreign military personnel stationed in the US, A-2 NATO 1 to 6. And then foreign nationals with extraordinary ability in science, arts, education, business or athletics, 0 to 1. Free trade agreement, FTA professionals, child, capital H-1B1. Free trade agreement, FTA professionals.
Print journalism, electronic journalism.
Free trade agreement professionals, Singapore, H, capital H minus 1B1. Information media representative, media journalist, RI. Intra-company transferees, L. Medical treatment visitors for capital B2. NAFTA professional workers, Mexico, Canada, TN/TD. Nurses traveling to areas short of healthcare professionals, capital H-1C. Physicians, J1, H capital -1B. Religious workers are specialty occupation in fields requiring highly specialized, H-1B. Students, academic and language students, F-1. Students dependent of an F1 holder, F2. Students occasional, M1. Students dependents of an M1 holder, M2. Temporary workers, seasonal agricultural, H2A. Temporary workers, non-agricultural, H2B. Tourism, vacation, pleasure visitors, B2. Training in a program not primarily for employment, H3. Treaty investors, E2. Treaty traders, E1. Transiting the United States capital C, victims of human trafficking T1, victims of criminal activity U1, visa renewals in the US AG and NATO are A1-2, G1-4, NATO 1-6. A student must have a student visa to study in the United States. His course of study and the type of school he plans to attend determines whether he needs an F visa or an M visa. Here are the finer categories. To enter the United States, you need the following visa category: University of College, high school, private elementary school, seminar.